Okay, today we want to learn how to enter into the developer mode. The developer mode helps you to, as a matter of fact, act like a developer. You are able to tweak, you are able to cause a lot of change. Even it can even help you enter into debugging mode, where when there is a need for you to flash your phone, you need to debug your USB or enter into a USB debugging mode to help you flash your phone. So let's get that going. This is PCWORLD, AKHOSTIQ PCWORLD. All right. So we enter into the menu where the apps are. You go to settings. Let's look for our settings. Yep. Then scroll down to system. Scroll down to system. Here I'm using Android version 9. Yeah, Android 9. So yours might be different, but usually you see that at about phone. About phone, you go to settings, you go to system settings, then you enter into about phone. So let's enter there and see. So here you will see so many things. Android 9 comes with a lot of inputs, or a lot of Android 9 comes with a lot of, should I say, settings, yeah, or so many infos that you need to enter. So for what I have here, we have system info. So we'll click on system info or tap on system info. So you can see Android 9. You can see Android security patch, which is May 1, 2019. Then the baseband, kernel, the build number. So it is with the build number, that is where you we cause the developer mode to get activated. How it is done. So you tap on it like 4 times or 5 times. 4 times, 5 times will activate the developer mode for you. So let's start it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see? So for security reasons, Android 9 will ask you to input your password so that it doesn't act like it's a different person doing that. So if you are the owner of your phone, you should be able to input the smartphone password or PIN code, or maybe your biometric verification and all those stuffs. So I'll quickly enter into mine. Then go ahead. All right. So you can see you are now a developer at the bottom. You are now a developer. So let's see what the developer mode entails. What it entails. So go back. So you can see now developer options. Yes, developer option. Yes. Now they said turning on developer options might result in irregular behavior in your device. These options are recommended only for advanced users. You see, you need to know what it is. It means you need to know what you are doing before activating such an option, because it's for advanced users, not a novice user. But I know you are now learning, and I know you are going to explore these options. You can Google for more information on that. I will tackle that the next time. Have a great day. I know you are going to be a friend of computers, and you are already a friend of a computer because you just watched this. Thank you for tuning into the AKHOSTIQ PCWORLD IT Forum.